there's this story I want to tell you about this lady who was diagnosed her breast cancer, and she said since we're on the topic of breasts. My dog kept
the Labrador who
kept smelling her breast, and
Yeah.
then she realized, why is he behaving so horny suddenly? You know, sometimes when you change a dog's environment, you're a dog guy, right?
I'm a full dog guy, and the female dog, which is known as the
Bitch.
right. Oh,
So she's just wondering what's wrong with this chap. Yeah, he's just constantly
Smelling the area. Yeah.
and then she tried to feel for a lump and she couldn't feel it, and went to a doctor, got a mammogram done, and they found a spot over there.
But this is now a fairly common practice, right? That dogs can pick up cancer. In fact, dogs can pick up any sort of malfunctioning that's
yes,
going on.
dogs can pick up a seizure.
Yeah.
About 3-4 minutes before it actually happens.
Correct.
It's unbelievable.
Yeah.
That the kind of sense that they have.
And then you, of course, mentioned the role the Parsis, in the Parsi religion, the dog plays, which is to smell the body.
Correct, but that's because I don't think Parsi patients trust their
supposed
doctors.
to be the gatekeepers of heaven and all
Correct.
that. I mean, all that is there. We won't get into it in detail.
But that's what, when we have our funeral prayers, the dog comes and ascertains that this
He's
guy
the final.
is really gone.
He's the final authority on. Yeah.
That's why it's called a lab test.
But there's an attached story because some dog was smelling your behind.
Oh, that's another. I don't even remember some of these stories in the book. Not bad.
Yeah.
You've
No,
done
but
some
because,
research.
These
So we were
stories-
on a trek.
Yeah.
I do a little bit of trekking, etc.
Kilimanjaro, by the way, amongst other places. So not a little bit of
Just a
trekking.
walk in the park.
Rubbish.
It's a little more than Pali Hill.
What are you saying? With
Right.
nicer people, but
lesser people, and not as many food stalls.
Yeah.
But we had this dog, German Shepherd, nice, beautiful looking dog. Couple of us were trekking, and he came all the way up with us to the top of the hill, whatever we were climbing. And I thought that there's this real special connection because I had, this
was
case.
clinging to you.
This case,
Yeah.
he just didn't leave
Yeah.
and just stayed, came all the way up, and then got us back all the way down. And he was, constantly at my rear. And I was wondering what really is there? Do I have bloody anal cancer that he's sniffing or some shit like that? And then I opened my backpack and pulled out a box of chicken sandwich, gave it to him. He walloped it and left. So that's what he was behind.
The moral of the story is that while dogs do detect, and you have to be you take it seriously if they're just going after one area for whatever reason, there could also be hidden food.
Correct, of course.
It's not always-
But I mean, it's strange that it's happened to me once again.
Yeah, twice.
That when we've gone on a trek, our dogs followed us all the way and come back, and then once we've reached our destination, he's just left.
Do you think
There's definitely something
that we've not picked up exactly a message
Probably
from?
they're showing us the way, or they're telling
Guiding
us,
you through the bad area and then letting you go
because
once
I
you
once
are
remember
safe.
we got a little lost,
Yeah.
and then the dog wasn't around, and I could hear him bark, and
So
then
you
he was
followed the voice.
followed the voice
Yeah.
and he was getting us to the right trail. So there's something that we can't explain.